Hello, this is Poonam Shukla. You are on for CS028, and this is my Unix uh, and Linux lab second experiment, and this is based on conditional statement and shell programming. So by using shell script, we're gonna solve all these problems which are all giving this exercise, second exercise. So this is my Linux compiler. So here our first question is based on we have to find the greatest of three number. So first let's go to my inside my file. Um, yeah. So this is my file. Here you can see I am taking and I'm giving three numbers over here, first, second, and 23. And here by using if statement, so it is based on conditional statements. So here we have to use if and if else if. So if here I'm checking my condition over here, if n1 is greater than this is the keyword for greater. If you're using this bracket means this native language means this shell script, so greater than n2, and if it's I'm checking it n1 is greater than n3. So three numbers are given, so two conditions are uh, we have to apply to give two conditions. So this n1 is and, so if the n1 number is greater than both number, then only we will say that this is the greatest number of all. So this is my else if statement, and else if, because we used else if here, we this is our else if statement. If n2, the second number, is greater than n3 and n, then only we can say l2. So we applied means we did two conditions. Now if both number are not greatest, so then we'll give else as n3 as our greatest number. So this is fi is present over here, so we write fi at the end, so that we can tell the if statement, the conditional statement ends here. So now I'm going to compile this, save it. Now I'm going to compile this thing, this file, sh number, I'm entering any number, 78. So you can see it's telling me that grade number is 78. So now let's move to second question. Second question is based on the grade of given marks. We have to find grade for given marks. So first we are going inside the file. I'll show you what the program is. It's just basically we are using if and else if statement like we used before, but here you can see the statement is the syntax is a little bit different. This native here there are two types of if statement that I already showed you in the first program, and the second, here we can use two bracket. We have to use two bracket, and then here we are comparing with, if it's greater than 90, then it will echo the grade A. If it's less than 80, greater than 80, then B, C, D. Likewise, for till 60 it's given, but if it's less than 60, then that person is failed. It's getting that person is getting E marks, E grade. So, and again FI it's given over here to ending the if statement. So now I'm going to compile this. Yeah, so likewise I'm entering 56. So it's showing that because it is less than 60, so it is showing that its grade is A. So now move to third experiment. Here we have to give internal and external marks. We have to convert internal and external marks. So let's see what's inside the program, how we are doing applying it. So this is my internal and external marks. So here I'm reading internal, means taking from the user internal and external marks. Then I'm converting my external marks into 40. So first doing that we are dividing it by 100 and multiplying it by 40, and then whatever number I'm getting, I'm adding it with my internal marks. So we have to take our internal marks out of 60 and external from out of 100. So then if the total, after adding those two numbers, if the total is less than 50, that person has already passed. If it's less than that, that person has failed. So now I'm going to compile this. So now I'm entering 56, 59. So here you can see that person has all passed it because it's greater than for 50 marks. Now let's now the arithmetic calculator. So arithmetic calculator is basically we have shown like five operators, first add, subtraction, and all these. So let's go and I'm gonna show you how I did. So first of all, likewise, we are taking two numbers, and then here we are using different condition statement. This is case switch. So here, if it's not like checking the condition, if that operation means that operation addition matches with, here it's for checking case option means whatever option you are choosing. So that variable will be here. In is a keyword, and then it will take here. So here instead of giving 1, 2 and all, I can give operators also. That will also work. So XPR for expression, if you want to add something and take that value, so that value in, so we can print it like this. So I'm taking 1, 2, adding it, and then subtraction for here. This is for multiplication. For multiplication, it's a little bit different syntax. We have to give black slash and then this star, and this is for division, power, mod. So I'm gonna run some operation for you. Uh, uh, okay, so like I'm just entering 12, 4. So like if you want to do subtraction, so 8 is coming. Like if you want, I want to do multiplication, so like 3 option 72. And like if you want to see 12, so 3 is coming. So likewise, these 6 operations are given in the calculator. So now let's move to fifth experiment. Fifth question is based on we have to check the character, that particular character, whatever I'm giving inside my file as an input, if it's vowel or not. So my file name is vowels. Vowel. Let's go inside. Yeah. Here also I'm using case switch cases because it's easy. Here we just have to take one input as character, and if that character, see, here I have given E, I. So number of vowels are 5, E, A, E, I, O, U. So that's why I've given these conditions. If that character matches with A, it's vowel. If it's means if it's one of these 5, it's vowel. And if this is for default, if it's not matches with all 3 5, then it's not an vowel. And then like we ended if also, f with fi here, just reverse of case, so it will end the switch statement. So save. Now I'll compile this. So character is W, so it should show it's not vowel, and it's showing that's not vowel. And if I want to check for if something vowel like I as a vowel, it's showing that it's a vowel. So this was my second lab Unix and Linux lab experiment. Thank you.